Well, here I am again. Last time I had a bit of a surprise. Positive. I mean, yesterday I was at a dinner with friends photographers and I was like, okay, let's check the stats of my last video, YouTube video. And the videos before I had like 2 views, 3 views, 4 views, 5 views, 20 views. And I mean, I just started, so it's normal. But yesterday I opened YouTube and checked the stats. And after 1.5 hours, 2 hours, I got 200 views on the last video. So I was like, oh yeah, what's happening? And so yeah, I was happy. It's only 200 views, sure, but it's nice. It's nice. Thank you for visiting the channel, the video, checking the video. So yeah, thank you. And I guess that made me think that, starting a channel is not always easy. I hear it quite often or see it quite often. But I'm also like, there's a lot of algorithm. YouTube doesn't choose individually. I guess the program, the algorithm chooses who to show. And I guess it's looking at consistency. If a YouTuber is posting videos often, well, the channel, YouTube, will show it, will put it out there. Like, look, he's starting and he's posting every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, whatever. But he's posting. And I guess that's what happened yesterday. It's a bit off now. Like, I didn't have many more views, but it's a small boost. It's not like the subject was very interesting, I guess, but I got views. So let's see for the next one. And yeah, that was basically it. Today I worked from home for once, kind of, because I didn't have a lot of work to do. I mean, a lot to edit. So I didn't need to be on my computer with the calibrated screen and so on. So I didn't have to go to the studio. So I made just a selection today, and it was just on my computer, on my laptop here. And I was just selecting the best photos. And then once I'll go back at the studio tomorrow, I will make this video and then edit those photos and send them. And today I also did a lot of prospecting. It's something that I usually didn't do. I used not to do it because I thought I might be annoying people, annoying companies. But the more you go on the internet, YouTube, Instagram, and so on, the more you see companies having a bad Instagram or a bad Facebook. I'm not the best at it, but I kind of want to help those companies to boost their Instagram, have a nice Instagram, and somehow making them better or have a better visibility to improve their business and make them have more clients, more money, so that they can grow as well. And I guess it's a win-win situation, because the more I would work for them, the more I would get, the better I would get also, and the more clients I might have. And so that's how I see it. It's kind of a win-win situation. So we'll see about it. I'm just emailing people, sending DMs on Instagram, and companies, not just people. And we'll see. I got already a few replies, and that's nice because I wasn't expecting people to reply. It's prospecting, so it's sending emails. if one replies, you're basically happy. So yeah, looking forward to it. I have a meeting soon with the manager. So yeah, happy about it. And I guess that's it for today. A short video, but in the next few days I have another shoot with a motorcycle company again, because they were so happy with the version that we made. They want me to come back just to take a few shots to make the same video but for another country, because the first video was with a number plate on the motorcycle, and now they want the same images but with the number plate of the other country. So I'm driving like 5 hours in total for 2 scenes. So I'll be there for not even 1 hour. So it's going to be 5 hours for 45 minutes shoot. So yeah, but it's nice. I mean, it's nice to hear that another country, at least their colleagues, are interested in the videos that I made, happy with it, and they want the same one. So I guess that's a good sign. And on that note, I'm going to read my book and then watch a movie, because watching movies for me is also part of my job, in the way that I like to see the story, but I also watch a lot at look a lot at the lighting, the sound effects, the composition, all of that. Yes, I'm one of those. And so watching movies is also work. So yeah, have a nice evening, have a good day, and see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, do you like the candles?